I'm going to discuss the Amit Shah model of development, which within the 3 years of Mr. Modi's government has managed to give that particular person, his company, a 16 lakh % rise in his income. अब इसको अच्छे दिन नहीं कहेंगे तो किसको कहेंगे आप? Try and get a loan of 5 lakh from any of these banks. A cooperative bank which is associated with Nirma comes and offers them a loan, gives them a loan. KIFS, which is co-owned by some people close to Mr. Amit Shah, which they have now tried to explain that they have been helping each other out and they've been the share brokers, etc., has given them an unsecured loan of 15.78 crores, which does not even find mention in Mr. Amit Shah's company, which is Temple Enterprises. So they get funds from all foreign entities to the tune of 51 crores in 1 year. So we would want to know what was the nature of transactions, what was the nature of business with these foreign entities, what were the countries where he was running his business, and more importantly, when a company whose revenues were to the tune of 50,000 in the preceding year suddenly receives foreign payments of funds to the tune of 51 crores, and yet we do not have ED, IT, CBI after him. In the interest of the nation, in the interest of you, me, and everyone out there, if they cannot launch this investigation and tell us how the 16 lakh % of increase has happened, then perhaps they should allow all of us to enjoy the same benefits of Achhe Din that Mr. Amit Shah is enjoying today.